this is my new vlog. I'm last time I'm show you the Mercedes and the Land Cruiser. And look at my car, BMW. And look at it. Another video. I have my another car left hand. Look at that.
Bye, Dida.
Bye guys.